2016 Corvette that we ceramic coated last year. Come back in for a maintenance wash. Just going to give you a glimpse of my do-it-yourself guys, how long it really takes to wash a ceramic coated car versus a non-ceramic coated car. This one's been ceramic coated, so it shouldn't take me long to wash and dry it, and I'll be back in the nice AC. Don't take that long to wash a ceramic coated car. Have your car ceramic coated today. Save yourself some time in the driveway, guys. Get your time back. Get your car ceramic coated. Thanks.